Hello students, welcome to another lesson in mathematics. Children, you have played with many objects which are round in shape in your childhood, like towing a cycle tire, playing with a round ring and pushing with a stick. Like this, you have seen many objects which have round objects with them. We call them as wheels. Even you might have gone to many of the village fairs and festivals, where you might have seen number of objects having wheels. So, can you give me some of the names of objects or vehicles which have wheels in them? Yes, can you give me?
Motorbike.
Motorbike, good.
Bangle.
Bangle, yes.
Auto.
Auto rickshaw.
Bus.
Bus, okay. All the wheels that you have said are of same size?
No.
No, they are of different size. Okay, observe the picture on the screen and name the object that you see. Yes. What do you observe in this picture?
Bullock cart. Tonga wheel.
Yes.
Tractor.
Tractor. Yes, good. You have recognized the objects correctly. So, these are the objects which have wheels built into them. So, where do you have seen the wheels in day to day life situation? Yes?
Bullock cart.
Bullock cart,
Train.
train,
Cycle.
cycles. Yes. So, in day to day activity, whichever objects is moving, so all moving objects have wheels in them. So, do all the wheels are same size?
No.
They are of
Different.
different size, isn't it? Okay. Now, I have got two bangles with me. Okay. One is yellow in color, another is red in color. Which is bigger?
Red.
So, which is smaller?
Golden.
Yellow. Okay. So, it is this bangle is small and this bangle is big. Now, which bangle is of your size? This. Why?
Because it is a small size.
It is small size. So, if you wear this, what happens?
It is a big size.
It is big size. So, it will not fit into your arms. So, it is of bigger size. So, we have different objects of different sizes. Similarly, which vehicle's wheel is bigger compared to road roller and tractor?
Bus.
Road roller and tractor. Which is bigger?
Roller.
Road roller, isn't it? Now, similarly, if I compare bike wheel and a cycle wheel, which is bigger?
Bike.
Bike wheel. Bike wheel is bigger. Is it really true?
Yes.
You verify. Go to your home. In your home, if you have cycle and also motorcycle, measure the wheels and then say and verify whether both your bike size wheel is bigger than cycle or not. Sometime it may be wrong. Okay? Even in cycles, we have different sizes. We have small wheel cycles and we also have large wheel cycle also. So, unless and until we do not measure them, so we cannot come to the conclusions. Now, what is this?
Wire.
Wire. Now, from this wire, can you make a circular object bangle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. There are wires in front of you. Try them. Yes. Each one of you have made a bangle. Now, can you wear this bangle?
No.
Why?
Because this is a wire, so I cannot wear.
So it is made up of wire and you cannot wear it. It is not so good looking. So how does bangles are made?
Metals.
Yes. So it is made up of metals. Okay. It is a metal. It is made out of glass. Okay. And it is also made up of
Mud.
plastics. Okay. Even mud bangles, are they worn? Have you seen anybody wearing mud bangles?
No.
No. Why?
Because it is not look good.
It will not look good. Also, the mud bangle breaks easily. So, therefore, mud bangles are not used quite oftenly. You all play games. Even in games, circle are made use of. Now, let us see some of the games with circle played by children.
टोपी रेखा टोपी ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಪಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಟೋಪಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಲೆ ಬಗ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
Okay, danger zone, safer zone, danger, safer, safer, danger, safer, out. Yes, out, come in, out.
अपने
नहीं, आप नहीं जाइए. चलो, start.
ये नहीं जुड़े
Oh, you've gone out of the circle. Come out. Through again.
You have seen the children playing games with circle. Do you play these games? Which song do you sing when you play these? Play these games in your school also. Now, in all these games, only the circle is used. What if a rectangle was made and it is used for game? Discuss with your friends and teachers and give reasons for that. Have you drawn a circle on the ground?
Yes.
Yes. How you have drawn that?
By using stick.
Stick. Why do we use stick?
Because impressions should come on the,
The ground.
So I use stick.
I use stick. Yes. Now, why we cannot do tracing on the ground?
Because we don't get a big object.
Okay, we don't have such a big object to trace on the ground. So, therefore, we go for drawing circle using a stick. Now, let us see how a circle is drawn using a stick. Okay, can you draw a circle using a rope also?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, have you done that in your when playing on the ground?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Can you draw a circle on the floor by using chalk?
Yes.
Yes, you can draw a circle on the floor by using chalk. Okay. Now, let us see how a circle is drawn with the help of a rope and a stick. drawing circle with objects. Okay. Now, having these circular objects in front of us, you pick any one of them and now you trace circle by using these objects. Yes, take each one of you one object. Okay, good. You have traced your objects. Now, Sujan, can you say what is the difference of tracing the objects and tracing a bangle?
In bangle,
Hmm.
trace inside.
Hmm.
In plates and
Hmm.
trace in outside.
Okay, so that is while we trace a bangle, there is a hollow space in between. So, you are tracing inside the bangle, whereas object is a closed surface. So, I cannot do it inside. So, I have to do outside the object. So, while tracing the object, we trace it outside. When there is a hollow objects are there, we can trace it inside as well as outside also. Okay. Does all these circles are of same size that you have traced? No. Why?
Some are big and some
Because objects are of different size. So, because of those we get different circles. Now, can you draw circle in your notebooks?
Yes.
Yes. So, let us draw. Yes, completed. Okay. Now, you can observe each one of your circle drawing. Whose circle drawing is good? Sujan's circle is appears to be exact or correct. Why do you think your circle is not correct?
Sir, because this line come inside.
It has gone inside. Why your circle is not good?
Long.
It has become outer. It has gone little outer. What is your circle?
This is come out.
So the line has come out of the circular framework. Okay. So what do you say now? Can you draw circle freehand, exact circle by using freehand?
No.
No. But if you practice it, we can draw an exact circle. Okay. Now, can you trace the circle using bangles?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Select your bangle and trace the circle. Yes. Yes. What is the difference you find between drawing a circle by free hand and drawing a circle using the object? What difference you notice there?
Sir, line get outer and
In there, in free hand drawing,
in objects it will come correct.
it will correct because you are only tracing them, tracing their outer or inner surfaces. So, you get a exact circle, whereas in free drawing your hand may go out or in of the curve. So, therefore, we may not get the correct circle by free hand. Okay, can you give me the names of objects
Bangle.
apart from this bangle?
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Can you use entire water bottle?
No, water bottle's cap.
Caps, correct. Coin. okay, using coin. So, similarly you might be seeing number of objects in your home having round in shape. Can you give some of the name of those objects which has round shape in them?
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Entire water bottle has round shape?
No, okay.
Okay, cap of the water bottle has round shape. Buttons, very good. What about your eating plates? Which shape they are?
Round.
Usually round in shape. So, you go look at your home and look number of objects that you have at your home and see which of those objects which are round in shape and make a list of them. Does your mother use a circle for putting columns? Column means rangoli. She will not use circles for putting rangolis.
No.
Huh?
No.
No, no. Just verify. Sometimes your mother may also use circles apart from using lines. Okay? Discuss that with your mother and see how she is using circular patterns for her rangolis or columns. Okay, we saw that by drawing a circle using a stick or using a rope, the length of the rope itself becomes the radius of the circle. Okay? The length of the rope or the length of your stick becomes the radius of the circle. Okay? Now, how do we measure the radius of different wheels?
By using scale.
By using scale, the whichever circle that you have drawn, you can measure it. By using the same scale, can I measure the radius of a bicycle wheel?
No.
Can I measure the radius of a tractor wheel?
No.
Then how do I measure it?
By using tape.
Using the measuring tape, I get the circumdiameter of the circle. But how do I measure the radius of the wheel? Yes, you said it is by taking a rope. How do I find the radius of a wheel? By using a rope. The center of the circle wheel becomes my center of the circle and the rims of the wheel becomes the end of the circle. So, if I take a rope from the center of the wheel and pull it up to the end of the rib of the wheel, that becomes my radius. So, taking that rope length, now how do I measure it? Again by using a long scale or a measuring tape. I use the rope thread, place it against the tape or the scale and I measure it. So, by using rope also I can measure the radius of different wheels and then measuring it by using the scale very precisely. Okay? Now, let us test how much you have understood regarding the circles and its radius by this particular activity. Okay? Or all the wheels of bullock cart and all the wheels of bicycle, are they same?
No, sir.
They are not the same. Okay, have you seen a tractor
Yes.
or a road roller?
Yes.
You have seen tractor and road roller. Which wheel is bigger?
Road roller.
Road roller's wheel is bigger compared to
Tractor.
tractor. Okay. Similarly, which wheel is bigger when you take car and a bus?
Bus.
Bus wheels are bigger compared to car. by comparing car wheel and a bicycle wheel, which is smaller? Yes, you should be with confidence, you have to say car wheels are small in size, bicycle wheels are big in size. So, therefore, all vehicles will have wheels depending upon their size and shapes. Okay? Yes.